Hello everybody. In today's lecture we will learn how to use Microsoft Office with the legal permission from the Microsoft Windows. So let's see. Here you can see we will go on the Microsoft Windows account by using. So click on the Microsoft Office account, that is direct www.office.com. Then we will click on our subscriptions. Definitely, if we are already account on the Microsoft Office, then it's okay. Otherwise, we will create new account. So this is the environment, Microsoft Office. In the account, here you can see the all apps, Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So if you click on the Microsoft Word, then it will be open its environment. Here you can see that on the top blue title, we are working in the Microsoft Word, just like we are using frequently. Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, journal notes, previous documents. You can see that if we click on the new documents, then it will appear the Microsoft Office Word environment, just like as usual we use. So then wait for a moment. Here it is, Microsoft Word. This is a free legal copy from Microsoft. So just we can use, we can highlight, we can copy, we can bold, we can resize the documents just as we usually do. So file, save, other operations, templates, current documents, new documents, whatever we do. So again we go to the app launcher. Here we can already see the Excel, PowerPoint. We can click on the PowerPoint this time. As you can see that templates available previously, new documents, recent documents from the computers. You can click on the recent as well as you can see that others applications. So you click on the new blank presentation. Here it is. And wait for a moment, just like normal. Here it is, my Microsoft PowerPoint's presentation, first slides. So this is all because of Microsoft Office free service, free application that we can use when we haven't. Why would we purchase that version?